How to create a Threads account using Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Threads application on your device and now tap on the Add Profile option you see there at the bottom of your screen. Further, tap on the Create New Profile option and now go ahead and select if you want to continue with the account shown on the screen or if you want to use your mobile number. So, select your preferred option and further select your account's privacy if you want to keep your profile public or private. Once selected, tap on the next option you see there and finally tap on the Join Threads button, and with this, your profile will be all set. So this is how you can create a Threads account using Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.